If you want to disable browser and Google search history or delete it from your Google account, then first of all, you have to go to your Google account, which I'm going to do by clicking on my profile picture right here. And then I'm going to click on manage your Google account. Once I do that, I'm going to go to manage your data and personalization. And over here, I'm going to go to web and app activity. So over here by default, it says include Google Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services. So if you don't want to enable this, you can just go around over here, disable this altogether, and you can see that it says pause. So once I click on pause, no matter what I do on my Google Chrome browser, no matter if it is my mobile phone or my computer web browser, whatever I do, it won't be saved out. But I want to enable it in my case. I'm just going to enable, that is, I'm going to go over here and turn it out. So here, that's the option to entirely turn your Google activity off or on. And the other option is the auto delete option. For example, here you can see that the option for auto delete is turned on. That is, it'll be deleting the activity older than 18 months. So if I were to click on this, what happens is that I can choose other delete options. So let's say I want to auto delete activity older than 3 months, then it'll delete those out. I can also use don't auto delete so that it does not delete anything. So I'm just going to choose this, and then I'm going to press next right here, and I'm going to press confirm. So it's automatically deleting or not. So you'll be given further option to confirm just like this. So the preferences is saved now. The auto deletion is off now. If I want to delete out certain web pages that I visited for some privacy reasons, then I can go to manage activity, and over here there are certain things. So I can go around and filter the date and product, and then delete the content of last hour maybe. So I can go over here, click on it, and all of my activities of the past hour will be deleted. I can go around over here. I can select a custom range as well, like before and after a certain date over here. So let's say, for example, I want to delete from 1st February to 3rd February. I can delete that out as well. I can also delete out, let's say, for example, for February 10, you can see that this is what I did. I want to delete it. I can simply click on it and it'll be deleted. Over here, you can see that there are certain actions that I did. There's like February 7, there's like computer visited this pages and so forth. I can just click on the cross and then they will be deleted for that particular page. And that is how you can disable the browser and Google search history and then delete out the web history from within your Google account, which affects multiple devices. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.